Eventually, we each had to get 2 beverages. And obviously, we both got our nails done. We're wearing our matching necklaces.
Shout out Serafina Jewelry. Go shop.
It's cute.
My friend Sarah's family business. Go shopping. Hey guys, I'm happy to report that American Airlines flies exclusively using Airbus planes and not Boeing. Thank God.
She's seen enough documentaries to understand why this is crucial.
And the reason
for travelers.
No Boeings. Please keep it away from me. Please.
They gave us mimosas to go, so it's gonna be a good
This
trip.
is a fatty as well. Wait, the man asked, he was like, there's no alcohol in that, right? I was like, oh, it's orange juice. It's just orange juice pop, but with a little orange in it.
We have a chicken cutlet operation.
Yeah, we don't play around here. This is my world famous chicken parm, everybody. We should like.
Nicole's not letting anybody else serve.
I guess I was like,
You should not.
I'm literally like, I need to be a housewife. I gotta get that in. My name is Nicole, and my fun fact is I have one less tooth on the bottom row than everybody else does.
Yay for Nicole! Your turn.
Say a fun fact, Cross.
My name is Sadie, and I have a really cute cat. Yeah.
You're gonna win a title.
Wow.
That boy.
Wait, can you flick me up? Can you please flick me up? Let me get one of them. Let me get one of them.
She's a champion! Yes. She's a champion!